At each second that passes, the deadliest animal on earth makes another kill. Is it the lion? The shark? No, it is much smaller than that. Its scientific name is Culicidae, also known as the mosquito. In Africa and Asia, the mosquito spreads a terrible disease, malaria. In Nigeria, it is their first cause of death, with 100 million people affected per year. 100 million people is as much as all the babies born in the world this year, including China. The only way to stop malaria is by accurately diagnosing it, which is done with a blood test in hospitals. But while the number of patients increase, the number of expert doctors remains the same. So what happens? The results arrive too late. The patients are misdiagnosed. And in malaria, one day can be the difference between life or death. So patients die. 300,000 of them. But what if we tell you that we can prevent those deaths from happening? What if, instead of seeing the mosquito bite as a death sentence, it could be the cure? Meet CureX 1.0, our automated microscope. It is able to diagnose malaria with the same level of accuracy than the best expert without human intervention. Plus, the results are given in less than 20 minutes, which is fast enough to treat the patient safely. It also provides data analytics to help the doctors of tomorrow better understand malaria and improve the treatments. So we build for the future. Finally, CureX knows how hard it is for you to get loans. So CureX 1.0 is offered on a leasing contract. So teaching hospitals, private hospitals, this video is for you. Do you want to live in a Nigeria clean of malaria?